Good morning, everyone. Today in Vital Statistic, the last topic is life table. Okay, so for that reason, I'm doing the class in very short. It is not much important for your exam also. Life table. Life table is a tabular presentation of numerical data decrease the mortality express of an cot. Okay, then what is COT? It is a decrease in mortality expense. Then COT is a group of individuals who are born at the same time and who expresses the same mortality condition. So COT means when the death is taking place, there is someone getting born, right? So it is that one. Then radix is the size of the COT. Then longitude is the extracted number of years that a newborn baby could live. Okay, longitudinals where the babies are living for long time. Then components of life table. So which are the components we'll be using for life table is x is nothing but the age of a person. X is the age of the person. Lx, it is the number of person living at age x. So for example, my age is 26. So who and all are living in my age, that is 26, who people are living, they will come under LX. And then DX, it is the number of person among LX person reaching age X who dies before reaching age X plus 1. Thus DX is equals to LX minus LX plus 1, where number of person denying between age x and x plus 1. Okay, so here that is nothing but lifespan of a person is 100 years. The people who are dying between that age, okay, before that or before the age of maturity is called dx. Then qx, the probability that a person of extract age x year will die before reaching the age x plus 1 year. Qx is equals to dx divided by lx, that is mortality ratio. And then lx minus lx plus 1 divided by lx. So here you will get that is the age where the people have to live, before that only the person will get died. That one is that one. Next, your fifth point is px, the probability that a person of age x survivals up to age x plus 1. So here dx and qx was before they will die the survival age of a person. Then px is the where the person is living up to the age and more than that age. Px is equals to 1 minus qx. So L minus dx divided by Lx is equals to Lx plus 1 divided by Lx. Here you use the calculation of the formula, just go through. Next, L to the power of x. Why I called here Lx? Because it is small Lx. Here caps Lx, I can call it as L to the power x or L of x. I'll make it as L of x. Okay, L of x, the number of years lived in the aggregated by the court of LO people between the age x and x plus 1. So L of x is equals to Lx plus Lx plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, where there is a age, aggregated age for the people in the court. Then T of x, total number of age lived by total future lifetime of the court after attending the age x. So after attaining the age, the total number of years lived, that is Lx, then Lx plus 1, then Lx plus 2, that one. And then Ex. EX is also called as expectation of life, average number of years a person of age X can be expected to live under the prevailing mortality condition. EX is equals to TX divided by LX. So this is the formula where it is an expected lifetime. Okay, in case the people is ill also, we can expect at least he can live for so many years, or the diseases person can live for so many years. Now moving on to the problem. Your first problem, if a life table, sorry, your first problem, in a life table, if L1 is 95,400 and L2 is 93,492, then find D1. Okay, we know the formula here. Dx is equals to Lx minus Lx plus 1. So let here Lx be L1, that is 95,400, and Lx plus 1 is equal to L2, that is 93,492. Here if you add minus both, that is 95,400 minus 93,492, you will get D1, that is 1908 you will get. Problem, in a life table, if L1 is equals to 95,400 and D1 is 1908, find the mortality ratio and survival ratio of first year. So they are asking for only 1 year. Okay, we know that mortality ratio is equals to Qx is equals to dx. What is that? Qx is equals to dx. Therefore, Q1 is equals to D1 divided by L1, where you will get mortality ratio first. Okay, that is 0,908 divided by 95,400, you will get 0.02. Next, survival ratio is equals to Px, that is 1 minus Qx. So P1 is equals to 1 minus Q1, that is 1 minus 0.02, you will get 98 is your survival ratio. So that too was asked in the problem there. Next, moving on to your third problem. In a life table, if L1 is 95,400 and D1 is 1008, then find L1. We know that Lx is equals to Lx minus dx divided by 2. That is L1 is equals to L1 minus d1 divided by 2. Here 95,400 minus 1,908 divided by 2, you will get 95,400 minus 954. Your L1 is equals to 94,446, where you will get your L1. Next, moving to your fourth problem. In a life table, if LO, that is 1 lakh, and TO is 65 lakhs years, then find the longitude. We know that EX is equals to TX minus LX. The information is given here is TO and LO. We will convert X into O, that is X into 0 or O you take it. Okay, so 65,000 divided by 1 lakh, you will get 65 years. So your life longitude is 65 years. Next, moving to your fifth problem. In a life table, if L1 is equals to 95,400 and L2 is 93,492, then find a survival ratio and mortality ratio of the first year. So your mortality ratio is Px is equals to dx divided by Lx. That is nothing but your L1 minus L2 divided by L1. Your 95,400 minus 93,492 divided by 95,400, you will get 1,908 divided by 95, will get 0.02 is your mortality ratio. Then your survival ratio will be Px is equals to 1 minus Qx, that is 1 minus 0.02. Px is equals to 0.98. Next is your life. Next problem. In a life table, if L1 is 95,400 and T1 is 61,506, 61 lakh 5,600 years, then find the expected of life in the first year. Ex is equals to Tx divided by Lx. We have a T1 and L1. 61 lakh 5,600 divided by 95,400. Your Ex you will get 64 years. See here, this topic is not much important. They may ask for you 2 marks only, okay? For that reason only I have not given much importance for this topic. But you people need to take the notes and study for the exam, because this carries at least 2 to 4 marks at least. For theory 2 marks and the problem 2 marks it will be coming. For that reason I have been revising this without skipping it. By this your vital topic, that is in statistics, first topic gets end. Tomorrow we will see index number. Thank you for the day, students.